On this video today, I'm going to show you a new method that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. In this video, we are not going to be promoting offers. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using a simple strategy that can help us make money without promoting any offer. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA network. You can join Max Bounty, you can join OGRs, you can join CPA Lead or any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using CPA Group. Once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you're going to click on monetization tools. Once you click on that, you are going to select URL/file lockers. Once you click on that, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, I agree to the terms of service. Once you select that, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to lock content so that we can get people to complete offers before they get access to the content that we are going to be locking. So the first step is that you have to select a template. To select a template, you are going to click right here, templates. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and then select any of these templates that you are seeing. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to select human verification. So click on it. Once you select your template, the next step is that you are going to click on general. Once you click on general, you're going to give a name to your file locker. So just give any name that you want. So in this case, we are going to type something like subscribers. Type something like this, subscribers. As you can see, that has been done. Once you type the name of your file locker, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see locked URL. You have to insert a URL right here so that you can lock it for people to complete offers before they get access to the content of the URL. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be locking this website, Add Me Fast. This website allows people to get social media following. You can get YouTube subscribers, you can get Facebook followers, you can get YouTube views, you can get TikTok views, you can get website visits. So we are going to lock the website for people to complete offers on CPA Group for us to make money before they get access to this website. So what you have to do is that you have to copy the link of the website. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste the link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the link, the next step is that you are going to select the number of offers that you want your potential visitors to see when they click on this button right here, choose a survey. In this case, I'm going to select only 3, so just leave it like this. Once you select the number of offers, anytime people click on this button right here, they are going to see 3 offers which they can complete before they get access to this link. Once they complete the offers, you are going to be paid on CPA Group. You can see right here, these are the offers that your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your link in the United Kingdom. People who click on your link in a different country are going to see different offers, and once they complete the offers, you are going to be paid. Some offers you can earn up to $2.39 per lead. Some of them you can earn up to $23.96 per lead. There are many offers and it depends on the location of your visitor. You can see some of them you can earn up to $10.78, some of them you can earn $4.85, and the rest. So the country where your potential visitor will click will depend on the amount that you are going to earn per offer. You can see most of the offers you are going to be earning a higher payout. Once you have entered the details, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, save. Once you click on save, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is your locker. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, get links. Once you click on get links, you can see this is your link. You have to get people to click on this link and then complete the offers for you to make money before they get access to the URL that you've logged. Let me copy and test it for you to see. Click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, just paste it on a new tab. Once you paste it on a new tab, you're going to see a page like this. This is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see when they click on your link. Anytime they click right here, choose a survey, they are going to see offers that they can complete before they get access to the locked URL. It depends on the location of the visitor. The offers are going to change. So if the people in the United States click on your link, they are not going to see these offers. If people in Nigeria click on your link, they are not going to see these offers, but they will see different offers which they have to complete before they get access to the link. Once they complete the offers, you are going to be making money. So now the next step is that you have to build a landing page so that you can promote this link to get many people to click on it and then enter their details for you to make money. To build a landing page, you are going to be using site.google.com. Once you are on the website, what you have to do is that you have to click on blank. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to build a simple landing page so that we can use it to drive traffic to our link. So we are going to delete the header. Just click right here to delete it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to give a name to your landing page. So let's type something like locked URL, something like this, locked URL. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to type a heading right here. To type a heading, you are going to click on text box. Once you click on the text box, you are going to type your heading right here. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to type get 2K YouTube subscribers in 24 hours, something like this. Get 2K YouTube subscribers in 24 hours, something like this. Once you have your text, what you have to do is that you have to increase the font size. So just increase it to 30. That is okay. Once that is done, you're going to change the font theme. So click on it and then select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select impact. Once that is done, you are going to center your headline. So click on this align. Once you click on it, you are going to select the second one. As you can see, that has been done. The text is now aligned. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to add an image right here. To get an image, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for 2K subscribers on YouTube. Just search for something like this. Once you search for it, you are going to select images. Once you select images, you can see a whole lot of different images that you can download. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can download it and then use it. In this case, I'm going to use this image right here. To download the image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you click on that, you are going to select save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, you are going to come back on your landing page, click on images. Once you click on images, select upload. Once that is done, select your image, click on open so that the image can appear right here. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. So you are going to expand it so that it can be big. Just expand it the way you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your image, what you have to do is that you have to add another text right here. To add a text, you are going to click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type some text right here. You can type a simple text like this. Are you looking to complete 2K subscribers on your YouTube channel for free? Follow the steps and you will start getting free subscribers from now. You can type a simple text like this. Once that is done, you are going to highlight it and then change the font size. You can change it to 12 or 18. Any number that you want, you can change it. So let's make it 18. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your text like this, the next step is that you are going to type a call to action right here. To type a call to action, click on text box. Once you click on the text box, you are going to type something like start now, something like this. Once you type your call to action, you are going to highlight it, make it bold, and then we are going to increase the font size so we can increase it to 30. Once that is done, you are going to center it. So click on align. Once you click on align, select this one right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert your locked URL right here so that when people click on it, they can complete the offers before they get access to the website. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, you are going to copy your locked URL. So click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back, highlight your call to action, and then click on insert link icon. Once you click on it, you are going to paste the link right here and then click on apply. Once that is done, anytime people click on it, they have to complete the offers before they get access to the website. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to publish your landing page. To publish it, you are going to click on publish. Once you click on it, you can see this is the web address. Click on publish. Once you click on publish, click right here view so that you can see how your landing page will appear to your potential visitors. As you can see, this is how it is going to appear to your potential visitors. You can see everything. So when they click on start now, they are going to complete offers before they get access to the website. So now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people who click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money. The best traffic source that you can use to get many people to click on your link and then complete the offers is Facebook. Facebook has a lot of groups that you can join and then promote your link. For example, if you search for YouTube subscribers, you can find a lot of groups. So let's search for YouTube subscribers group. Just search for it, YouTube subscribers group. Once you search for YouTube subscribers group, you're going to see page like this. You can see these are groups that you can join to promote your link. You can see this group has 574k members. So you are going to be getting a lot of people who will click on your link. You can see this one has 2.1 million members. You can see many others. When you click on all, you can see many groups that people have joined, and the one subscribers, the one YouTube subscribers, you can see a whole lot of different groups. So what you have to do is that you have to join the groups so that you can promote your link. You can see I've joined this group, I've joined others. So just join the group so that you can promote your link. Once you join the group, you are going to open it so that you can promote your link. Let me just open this one right. Once you open the group, what you have to do is that you have to make a post and then invite people to message you directly so that you can send them the link for them to get access to YouTube subscribers. So to make a post, you are going to click on write something. Once you click on write something, you are going to select a template right here. Click on it and then select a template. You are going to select the red one right here. Once you select it, you are going to write your post. So you are going to type something like comment yes and I will help you get 2k subscribers for free, something like this. Comment yes and I will help you get 2k subscribers for free, something like this. Once you type your post like this, you are going to click right here post so that your post can be sent to the group. As you can see, it is posting, so we are going to wait for it. You can see your post has been sent. This is your post. Anytime people send you a message, what you have to do is that you have to contact them directly. Once you contact them, you are going to come back on Google site, click on this icon. Once you click on it, you are going to get your link right here. You can see this is the link to your landing page. Click on copy. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then send the link directly to them so that they can click on it and then complete the offers. Apart from making a post, what you have to do is that you have to also contact people directly. You can see a lot of different comments. So you are going to click on the comments. Once you click on it, you can see this is a comment that someone has made. What you have to do is that you have to reply it. Once you click on reply, you are going to type something like send me a direct message so that I can help you to get 2k subscribers for free, something like this. You are going to make a reply like this. So let me just highlight and copy it. You are going to make a reply like this. Once you make the reply, they are going to send you a message so that you can then send them the link. You don't have to send the link on the group, because if you send the link, some of the groups, they are not going to approve your post. So make sure you don't send a direct link. Make sure you invite them first. Once you invite them, they can send you a message before you send them your link. So for example, I'm going to send it to them. So just reply the message. Once you reply, you are going to keep on replying to many of them so that you can get many people to click on your link. So for example, you are going to scroll down again. Once you scroll down, you can see this one has 107 comments. Just select any of the comments. Let me click on them. You can see these are all people that you can contact directly. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select any of them and reply to them. So for example, I'm going to select this one right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to make your public comment right here. Paste it this way. Once you paste it, click on send. So make sure you keep on replying to the post. Keep on replying to the post so that you can get many people who will send you a direct message, and you are going to send them the link of your landing page for them to complete the offers for you to make money on CPA Grip. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.